Welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Benauli MLA Kaitu Silva is a Portuguese national, rules Union Home Ministry after conducting inquiry. Kaitu not an Indian citizen, MLA-ship in danger. Crime branch registers a case of rape against Tarun Tejpal. Goa police team leaves for Delhi. State Women Commission seek information from Goa police. Tehelka's managing editor Shoma Chaudhary says she won't cooperate with Goa cops till victim files complaint, denies to share email sent by the girl. Allegation of sexual harassment hits IFI. Delhi-based student complains of sexual harassment against a senior film festival official. And Centre rejects revival of Justice M.B. Shah Commission, says Shah Commission has completed its work. Action is initiated, hearing on Monday. And now the news in detail. The Indian Embassy at Lisbon has declared Benauli MLA Kaitan Silva as Portuguese national. The order mentions that Kaitu ceases to be an Indian citizen since July 2010. Advocate Radharao Gracias has demanded that Election Commission and Speaker of Goa Assembly should disqualify Silva. Prudent is in possession of the copy. The Embassy of India in Lisbon has cleared that Kaitan Rosario Silva ceases to be an Indian citizen. He was declared as a Portuguese national since 21st July 2010. Union Home Ministry has declared Benauli MLA Kaitan Silva as a Portuguese national. Advocate Radharao Gracias has demanded disqualification of Kaitan Silva.
Now the consequences would be that the name of Kaitu will have to be struck off the electoral rolls. He will cease to be an MLA. Of course, for this, we would expect the Speaker and the Election Commission to act immediately, because we don't see how a non-citizen can continue to be an MLA. But if they don't act immediately, we will be forced to file an application and take further steps. Article 9 of the Indian Constitution says that if you voluntarily acquire the citizenship of another country, you automatically lose Indian citizenship. In Kaitu's case, there is an endorsement made on his birth certificate which says that he is a Portuguese national. That Portuguese nationality has been conferred on him. And I would say that the same law would apply to Glenn Ticklow. We have also filed a petition against Glenn Ticklow, but he has now moved the High Court, and consequently that matter is pending.
Even after the clear notification on the said order, Kaitan Silva believes that it's a rumor spread across by Alemão family. The order further mentions how Kaitu ceases to be an Indian citizen. Sri Kaitan Silva has acquired Portuguese nationality after registering his birth with the Central Registry of Births, Marriages and Deaths of Lisbon, conclusively had acquired Portuguese nationality, and thus he automatically ceases to be a citizen of India. 2 current MLAs are under scanner for attaining Portuguese nationality. Furthermore, Glenn Ticklow is not a national of Portuguese and also ceases to be a national of India. However, Glenn's matter is sub judice. Bureau Report, Prudent. Meanwhile, a crime branch has registered a case of rape, outraging modesty and molestation against former editor of Tehelka, Tarun Tejpal. An investigating team of Goa police has left for Delhi. Goa police also indicated that managing editor Shoma Chaudhary can also be booked, as she did not inform police about the crime in spite of knowing it. Meanwhile, State Women Commission has sought information from Goa police and NCW on the incident.
Crime branch of Goa Police on Friday registered a case of rape, outraging modesty of women and molestation against former editor-in-chief of Tehelka, Tarun Tejpal.
Different sources से, कुछ papers से, ये बात हमारे सामने साफ हुई है कि prima facie cognizable offence has occurred, and that's why police has registered the case. We have certain papers जिससे rape के ingredients सामने आते हैं. Now it is FIR. It is FIR. FIR is just setting the ball in motion. It is the process of investigation which has been initiated.
A team of crime branch led by PI Sunita Sawant has left for Delhi in search of Tarun Tejpal. Police is also trying to contact the victim girl. Tehelka has still not responded to the mail written by Goa police seeking original emails returned by both the accused and the victim.
Yes, we have requested for the complaint which the victim has reportedly given, but we have not received it so far.
Home Minister and Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar said that Goa police is investigating the case thoroughly and without any political interference.
I have told them one direction, no pressure, and whoever it may be, crime is a crime, go after the culprit. Now culprit कौन है इसका investigation will come out after the investigation is over. कि कितना भी बड़ा आदमी होने दो उससे आप डरो मत. Any information on crime has to be shared with the police. I don't think there is two different views on that. त्याच्यानंतर कोणाक समजा if anyone has a knowledge about it, if he does not share, there are legal procedures for sharing it.
Goa police has indicated that managing editor Shoma Chaudhary can also be booked as she did not inform police about the crime when it came to her knowledge. Meanwhile, Goa Women Commission has asked Goa police and its national office to provide information related with this case.
We have already wrote a letter to the DIG asking the report, investigation report, full report of that case, so that as per that we will go ahead with that case. And even for this, the National Women's Commission, they have already taken the cognizance of this offence, and we are also doing all these things.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
Tehelka's managing editor Shoma Chaudhary has made it clear that she won't cooperate with Goa police till victim files a complaint. Chaudhary said the emails sent by the girl will not be shared. When questioned why she did not inform police after receiving victim's email complaint, she said it is not a legal compulsion. She clarified Tehelka's version to news channels on Friday.
Tehelka's managing editor Shoma Chaudhary informed the national media that the organization has constituted a special committee to investigate into the alleged sexual assault case against Tehelka's editor-in-chief Tarun Tejpal. Chaudhary also said that the media should not jump to any conclusion before the report is ready and submitted. She has also refuted charges that Tehelka is trying to stall the probe.
Angrily confronted Tarun about it. He had a different version of the event, but contrary again to everything in the media, that I overrode his account and asked him for an unconditional apology. I admit and I accept that Tehelka did not have a Vishaka grievance on Vishaka guidelines, a grievance redressal mechanism, and even if that had been placed, the first thing that would have had to happen would have been for Tarun to step down. I don't think that this incident involves Tehelka in any way, because whatever has happened, he has acted as an individual. I think it is presumptuous of the media. Once the committee comes to its conclusion, it is according to the Vishaka guidelines. Whatever conclusion they come to will take its course.
Shoma says that she was not legally bound to inform police after receiving email complaint from the victim employee.
It is not my place to go to the police, even if it is the Vishaka guideline. I would not unilaterally go to the police. Before coming onto the media today, I did speak to a couple of lawyers about what was my bounden duty, and they are extremely well-known lawyers and feminists, and they felt that it was not necessarily part of my duty to do that. This involves her body, her privacy, her desire to go through any legal process, and we know sometimes how bruising that can be. It is really her prerogative. So I will say again, till today, that unilaterally I will not go to the police.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
Allegation of sexual harassment has now hit the ongoing International Film Festival of India. A Delhi-based student working as a programmer has complained of sexual harassment against a senior film festival official. The girl has lodged a complaint with IFFI director Shankar Mohan.
The Jawaharlal Nehru University student from Delhi has lodged a complaint with the IFFI director Shankar Mohan on sexual harassment. The 25-year-old girl has accused a senior festival officer of the rank of deputy director of making lewd suggestion in form of indirectly asking for sexual favor. The girl in her complaint has stated, On the night of November 16, 2013, lewd suggestions were made by the said person in form of indirectly asking for sexual favors. As a result of the incident, I feel harassed and highly offended. Hence, I would like to report this matter under the Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace Act 2013. Following the complaint, the IFFI Directorate formed a 3-member committee comprising of Nirupama Kotru, Director with Union Information and Broadcasting Ministry, and 2 more women officials associated with the film festival. The girl was in Goa at IFFI venue on assignment to assist the Soul of Asia and World Cinema sections. The girl has accused the officer of inviting her to his cabin at the Old Goa Medical College building in late evening and suggested that she would accompany him for a drink. Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.